BeMe is cleverly designed, making transferring, adjusting, and daily use easier than ever. Every detail has been thought of, from armrests that can be quickly released for easy side transfers, femoral gables and pommels which can be quickly released to make hoisting and standing transfers easier, chest and foot supports that can be easily flipped away for all transfers, to the seat, backrest and chassis, which are a snap to attach or detach, making swapping components, transportation or storage surprisingly simple.